Okay, now we are going to see how to back up my SQL database and restore. Okay, now I am going to SSH my server and I am opening PowerShell in right side window, and in left side I write down all the steps, required steps. Okay, then we'll use the paste command. It's asking for password. I just copy it here and right click. Okay, okay, it's not root account actually. Okay, done. Just copy the step and right click here. It's asking for the password, copy, then right click. Okay, now we can check database. Okay, there is 4 database currently, so I'm going to open my browser and okay, it's two-step authentication is enabled, that's why root query okay. You can see here also there is 4 database only. Now I'm going to clear the screen and create a database. Just copy from here, paste, it's done. Then I'm going to use the database. Okay, database is changed. Now I run this 4 step. First I am creating a table, then I am entering 3 values. Okay, everything is done. If you want to double check whether the database is created or not, you need to run this command. Sorry, the first one. Okay, country is created. Now I'm going to check this in the browser also. Just to refresh this page. Here you can see, okay, there is 3 data: Odisha, Bihar and Assam. Okay, done. Now what I'm going to do, exiting from this window and run this command for backup the database. Currently I'm root user, okay, otherwise you need to use sudo command for this. Okay, now sorry, just remove this command. Now check the file list. There is no file related to DB backup like this. There is no file. Okay, now I'm clearing the screen and run this command. Okay, actually you can do one more thing also. You can go to this directory opt-bin mysql, sorry, opt-bin. Okay, and the command actually mysql dump will create a database backup only. Okay, so I can do it only through one line of command. It's asking for password. I'm just giving the password. Okay, it's done. Let's check. Okay, here you can see the backup file is created. I'm clearing the screen again and I'm opening my browser, and the database is still there. Okay, I'm going to delete this database. Country drop. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to restore the database. But we need to remember one thing: before restoring the database, we need to create the database. Again, we are going to, if you check, first you need to log in. Sorry. Okay, then if you check so database, then there is no database related to country. We need to create the country database or any other database. Okay, country is created. If you click on show database, country is there. Okay, I'm clearing the screen, Control L. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this command. Okay, I'm going sign up from the MariaDB database session. You can press the Control and D key simultaneously. Okay, now I am pasting this command. It's asking for the password, same again. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to check my database. There is no database related to country. Now I am refreshing this page. Country is created and there is a database table with the existing details. That much only. It's very simple. Why we are going to use through command line? Because in command line we can import GBs of data. Means if your hosting provider is giving 2 GB of RAM, then you can import max to max 500 MB or 1 GB of database. But through command line you can import huge amount of database file. Thank you.